Today is Sunday, August 19th. The time is 3:24 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Gold Standard Football Break, break number 34. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Jaguars, Mercedes Lewis, serial numbered 167 out of 299. Cincinnati Bengals rookie, Jay Finley, serial numbered 196 out of 299. Cleveland Browns legend, Paul Warfield, serial number 201 out of 299. Cardinals rookie, Robert Hausler, serial numbered 6 out of 25. Golden Anniversary, Chargers, Vincent Jackson, serial number 298 out of 299. Gold Leaf Rookies, Julio Jones, serial number 243 out of 299. Golden Anniversary Jersey, Frank Tarkenton, Vikings, serial number 52 out of 99. 49ers Gold Leaf Rookies Jersey, Colin Kaepernick, serial number 221 out of 299. Lions Rookie Michael LaSure, Jersey autograph, serial number 248 out of 525. Raiders autograph, Denarius Moore, serial number 285 out of 499. Seahawks rookie autograph, Chris Durham, serial number 318 out of 499. And the last card, Ravens, Anquan Bolden, serial number 227 out of 299. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for football box breaks, I have 2011 Panini Playbook, 2011 Panini Prime Signatures, and ending today, I have a 2012 Topps Inception football box break. I will be listing another 2011 Panini Gold Standard later on this week. For baseball box breaks, I have 2012 Topps Finest, and ending today, 2012 Topps Tier 1. For basketball box breaks, 2011-12 Panini Limited.